This is not technically a how-to video. It's a warning for people who are buying new computers, regardless of where you're buying them. These days, any computer you buy from a legitimate computer store, unless you're having it hand-built for you, is going to come with Windows 8. And a lot of people are buying computers at big box stores like Costco or maybe Walmart or any other place that sells computers. And a couple of things you need to be aware of about the way Windows 8 is being marketed. First off, when you get home, you may find that you were told that it has Microsoft Office installed on it. 99% of the time, that is not true. What it has is an installer for Microsoft Office, which you click on, and then it asks you then to enter an activation key that you've paid $100 to $300 for, or you're going to buy it then. So if you bought a computer from anywhere under the understanding that it came with Microsoft Office installed, when you click on Microsoft Office and it comes up and asks you to enter an activation key, you were misled. And you have to decide whether you want to take it back and get your money back or just bite the bullet and buy Microsoft Office. Another thing you need to be aware of is that Windows 8 is typically being sold with some type of virus program on it. Either McAfee or Norton are the two most common. That is absolutely unnecessary. Windows 8 comes with its own very capable virus protection software called Windows Defender, which used to be the default for Windows 7 until they switched over to Microsoft Security Essentials. So one of the first things you want to do when you get your Windows 8 computer home is uninstall whatever security software they installed for you, be it McAfee, Norton, Kaspersky, AVG, or anything else, because otherwise they'll immediately start coming up and asking you to register them and pay money for them. It's basically a scam, and those companies have paid the computer manufacturer for whatever computer you bought to allow their software to be put on your machine and then make it look like you basically have no choice but otherwise pay to activate it. So be aware that you do not need virus protection software on your Windows 8 machine. Now, when you remove the other virus protection software on your machine, look very carefully on the bottom right-hand side of your screen as you're doing it, because you will see a pop-up saying your computer is unprotected. Click here to start Windows Defender. And you want to do that because you want Windows Defender running. Now, if you don't happen to see that, that's okay, because you can also start it yourself. And the way you would do that is that reboot the computer, and when you go into the default Windows 8 screen, which is what they call the Metro screen with the big tiles on it, what you want to do is go up to a blank area of the screen where there are no tiles and just start typing Defender. Now on the right hand side of the screen there will be some items called apps or settings or a variety of other things. Defender is an app, so you need to make sure on the right hand side that apps is what's selected, and then when you start typing Defender, the little icon should come up. The next thing you want to do is you want to right click on Defender and say pin to start menu. That will make it available to you anytime you want to run it. And then the next thing you do is you find it on the start menu, you click on it to start it, and you make sure that it's running, and you go through and make sure you're happy with all the defaults. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about having just purchased a Windows 8 machine, please feel free to stop by the St. George Senior Citizen Center Computer Lab Tuesday through Friday, 9 to 11:30, and we will help you understand what's going on and help you resolve some of your problems. A couple of caveats: we do not do virus removal, and we do not do operating system installs. This concludes this video.